That's the voice of the man, Delly Ranx, right there. The Hill and Gully Ride Rhythm. Gala bounce pon it. Ladies and gentlemen, the General is in the building. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the platform for the first time. The World General himself, Pure Music Boss. Welcome, 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 Delly. Go ahead, turn up your mic for us a little bit. Turn up your volume on your end. Yes. Gotta make sure the people hear you loud and clear. You know.
Yes, Delly. So good to see you.
Yeah, we're hearing you. Still a little low. Still a little low. You're like on 5, and you could get to 8. Oh yeah.
Yes,
Right.
control it.
We get to there. While you work on that, Lady Lalabella, you want to go ahead and introduce Delly to the folks?
With pleasure, Delly Ranx was born Delroy Foster and has been a staple in Jamaican dancehall reggae for more than 20 years. Over these years, he has recorded major productions in the industry, including veterans Sly and Robbie, as well as Steely and Cleevie. Delly Ranks performed in numerous international reggae showcases, festivals across the Caribbean, as well as Europe and the US. His success on the airwaves have traveled through the Jamaica and the Caribbean and abroad with major hits like Pandakana with Mega Bantan, Red Bull and Guinness, Ghetto Whiskey, Soul, and Solid. This was also a remake of The Love and Devotion with Jimmy Riley, the great singer, late great singer. Now he's collaborated with some of the finest artists Jamaica has to offer, including Barris, Elephant Man, Voicemail, Daville, Wayne Wonder, and not to mention Lukey D, among
And
others.
the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Yes,
Big
indeed.
singer, big producer, big writer, the one and only Delly Ranks.
Welcome, 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 welcome. You know, I feel like the introduction don't even do the justice proper because there's so much that Delly has done. So let's start at the very beginning, Delly. Just get people a sense of where in Jamaica you forward from, where you were born and grew.
I'm from Kingston, Jamaica.
What part of
Kingston.
Kingston?
You know, so I will live part of Kingston from South Side to Mountain View, Waltham, Rockford, you know, I will live properly.
Okay. And how many brothers and sisters you have?
I'm the fourth of 7 from my mom,
Oh, yeah.
The fourth of 7. Wow.
and I'm the first of 4 from my dad.
Okay. Big family, big family. You and the siblings was grew up close?
Yeah, we grew up close until everybody get big and I do the own thing. But we did,
Yeah. How mom and dad?
mom and dad alive. Mommy not 100, but she's alive and I'm happy for that.
Yes, indeed. Blessings. Would you do anything special for the Mother's Day?
Yeah, but they do it already, you know, because my mom live in England, so I was in England earlier.
Oh,
So
yes.
with a good vibe, hug her up, kiss her up, love her up, cook for her, rub her up, and all of them. You know them times that mom
Yeah.
comes out.
See, a good son. You see that, folks? He's a good son. Take care of mama. What you mean? Chat about. Lady Lalabella.
Yes, Dali, we love the productions that you put on. Countless artists, countless people who you have brought into the industry and helped them get the bus. What is your favorite rhythm that you've ever produced?
And you know, it's going to be an unfavorite one to people, but my favorite rhythm is a rhythm called Hennessy.
Hennessy.
Tell us about that production, why that one stands out.
That production, I got a chance to produce a song on Sean Paul's Dirty Rock album that won the Grammy. That song, Capleton song, and it's called Burning Now. Can't take the fire when me bounce them around. I produced that song also. I feel the fat man for the beat man. But the reason why that's my favorite beat, that is the beat that gave me the Grammy as a producer.
Yes.
Amazing to make your mark with the Hennessy rhythm. Awesome.
So I'll always cherish that beat beat and that beat will always listen to them heart, you know.
Now, we listed off just a few of the hit rhythms. Would you let people know, just because a lot of people just don't understand how much of an integral figure you have been behind the music, like, you know, without the instrumental, without that production, yeah, the artists don't have nothing for dropper, right? So tell us, give them a short list, of some of your big rhythms.
I did the Red Bull and Guinness with him over the break song. Where them a do, where them a try, is first Billboard hit.
Yeah.
I've get a whiskey with him. As I told you, the Hennessy with him. I'm not going to name too much because it's too long. A recent, the popcorn song called Family.
Yes.
Of that song also. The rhythm is called Family. So, I just put out the Rido rhythm.
Yes.
Cabinet rhythm out, the CSQ rhythm out. I'm always putting out music. I'm always doing productions before the people say dancehall is back. I never stop doing dancehall. I never stop doing reggae, and I produce it.
All right. So let's do this, Delly. I'm gonna jump back into some more music real quick. All right, we got Delly Ranx in the building, and like I said, he's produced so much. We just heard on the Galabongs pun it right on the Rido rhythm. All right, his cut of the popular Hill and Gully that is just real. Right, so we're gonna talk about that.
No, more correct you a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not my cut. It's a different rhythm.
It's a different.
Yeah, the Hill and Gully rhythm does give you a vibe, but we build a rhythm so it can help that rhythm, and that rhythm can help my rhythm. So you have Hill and Gully, and then we go Rido. So Hill and Gully, Rido.
There you go. All right. Yes, indeed. Thank you for the clarification. Delly Ranx is in the building, folks. And I'm going to drop this one on. I got this one recently. I've got so much music from Delly Ranx recently, actually. You've been very busy and always dropping songs. So this one, I like it because I'm a classic reggae somebody. And when I hear certain rhythms, I say, oh yeah, touch this one again. This is Talk About Love Rhythm, Delly Ranx, Sneaky Creepy.
The world should know that ball is romantic, but Rasta's gallantic. Sneaky creepy, them gyal they have to live. Sneaky creepy, no in my league. Sneaky creepy, them gyal they full of greed. Them gyal they only know for deceive. She was once my girl, but me have to live. She said she don't want no you, she don't want to bring forth me see. She was once my girl, she a try cut me speed. She better know, it's a real empress me live. She was once my girl, life is a karma. He no want no girl if them life full of drama. She was once my girl, come back to your farmer. Me find a new girl fi keep me warmer. She never real, so me live for a better chick. Yeah. I know me get the girl me need with the better lips. She know fi rock it to the beat with a better twist. She bring the right type of love in the gen and the warmest.
One more time. Pull up the voice of Delly Ranx, y'all. Sneaky creepy.
Sneaky creepy, them gyal they have to live. Sneaky creepy, no in the
Let's talk about love.
Sneaky creepy, them gyal they full of greed. Them gyal they only know for deceive. She was once my girl, but me have to live. She said she don't want no you, she don't want to bring forth me see. She was once my girl, she a try cut me speed. She better know, it's a real empress me live. She was once my girl, life is a karma. He no want no girl if them life full of drama. She was once my girl, come back to your farmer. Me find a new girl fi keep me warmer. She never real, so me live for a better chick. Yeah. I know me get the girl me need with the better lips. She know fi rock it to the beat with a better twist. She bring the right type of love in the gen and the warmest. Yeah. She have the whining skill we create magic. She have me happy place when me don't want for this. Yeah. She lock me tight and make me brain get a lift. Me ex can't get back me stick. Hey, she was once my girl, but me have to live. She said she don't want no you, she don't want to bring forth me see. She was once my girl, she a try cut me speed. She better know, it's a real empress me live. She was once my girl.
The voice of the man, Delly Ranx, right there. Delly Ranx, tell me, are you where are you most comfortable? Where do you see yourself? Are you the producer or are you the artist? Which one would you say that you want to do first? Because you do both of them so well.
I'm comfortable doing music.
Ah, see that
Music man.
that
Music man.
and this is not just music production and making. The man juggle. So the man can play music too.
Why I say like that? When I'm doing productions, I'm happy doing it because I'm doing it from my heart.
Mm.
You know, it's a gift from the Most High. So whenever me I do it, me just I do it. And me I do it in everything. When I'm on the stage, I'm doing it from my heart. And when they see me I play music, I'm so happy doing it. I'm so happy that the Most High put this talent inside of me and I can give it to the masses. So I'm just happy I do music. Any one of the school them I go in, I just be the principal and done.
I like it. I like it. Now you're coming from a very, very strong school because when you mention Steely and Cleevie, when you mention Sly and Robbie, so tell us about those early days in that school and of being around like those greats, those legendary producers.
I must tell you, I don't get a lot of time around Sly and Robbie because most time I just get a time to go around the studio, go record and all a vibe with them and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
I spend more time with Robbie than Sly because Robbie was a great friend of mine, my late great virgin brown man, from Johnson Terrace in a Vineyard Town there. So we used to hang out on the corner, all a vibe. So yeah, Robbie kind of nice.
Okay.
Music now, Steely and Cleevie. May Steely soul rest in peace, but these are the people that really gave me the opportunity to know how to record properly, put on the final touches on my production skill. So we have to big up Steely and Zion and we have to big up Clevie back in like 2000, 2005, 2007, 2000, in them area there where I was really sharpening up the craft. I'm sharpening up the craft to get where I'm at right now. And I Steely and Cleevie put that on me. But me still can't leave out the Firehouse crew. George Miller, Donald Crossdale, and Wrong Move. These are the people who gave me the opportunity to produce. Them would have just put me in the studio and produce the artists them were there. Them gone, just bring some bag of weed, come give me, and food there. And we just produce you. Who me send around there? If me tell you say you're good, you're good. If me tell you say you're not good, you're not good. They gave me the opportunity to create that air for music.
That is massive. What was it you think they saw in you as a young sir coming up? Where, because you named some giants right there. So for them to really, to put you in that position, what was it you think they saw in a young Delly?
Well, maybe them did see the fire. You'd have to ask them, but I know they gave me the opportunity, and I conquered that opportunity and make good use of it.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Now, as the music has progressed, you're coming from, like I said, good schooling. Now, in the modern day, youths are able to get their laptop and just download the program and do a thing on their own, right? So, I know there's been a lot of talk in the business right now about gatekeeping. I don't particularly prescribe to the gatekeeper thing, but I do think it's very important that youths get a good musical education so their productions are on top and they're proper and they're done well and they represent the business well. I think it's beneficial for them and the
when you talk about the gatekeeping, you know what I mean? Tell me.
So, well, people have been saying that there's certain artists or people in power positions that are holding people back and stopping them from stepping through the gate per se and
listen
getting
to this,
that
man.
bigger
Listen,
thing.
listen to this, brother, man. Nobody can stop you from a year time, see? And in the golden time, where I and I come through, the gatekeeping was there.
Right.
See, a gatekeeping are about now, so nobody can stop you now. You just create your content and do your something. If them like it, them run with it. If them not like it, them tell you to go and try again. Because back in the early days, the golden time, as I call it, the true school, you couldn't just jump and go sing a song and put out a record. That not gonna work.
Right.
You have to do audition, you have to pass the test, you have to go to the studio, you have to bleach at night time, you have to walk the walk and talk the talk before you get there. But now, as I say, a man get a laptop, go up on Fruity Loops and create something, go on his internet, put it out, and the people say, yeah, big artist. So nobody, not get now all.
Now,
You understand?
Now the quality of what's going out though, right? Is it that people are just accepting whatever is coming at them, or
I
has
don't
the
think so,
standard
you know.
changed?
I don't think so. Because, you know, you see, we have to evolve with the time and don't curse the time. You know, because if in the golden days where I started, if it did stay like how it's still now, people would have cursed it same way.
Right.
What we need to do as elders, the youths, and we know, because you know the one them will have the potential to be great. You try to reach out to them and put your craft with them craft and show them the craft and make them become great. Because we are all here to leave, you know. But we can't leave the knowledge we're going to here forever.
All right. There you have it. Wisdom from a veteran artist in the game who's been there and sees it and knows what it is. Lady Lalabella.
What do you think about these new school artists that are coming up into the dancehall era with this new AI music and they're producing using Fruity Loops or GarageBand on their phone? What is your outlook? Because you're coming from a more, manual form of doing music with instrumentation and integrating it now with, artificial sounds.
Here what with me, you know, me not knock a man craft, you know, because you see, if you know how to take something and create your own, that's good enough. As I told my brother earlier, say, yo, we have to evolve with the time. We can't run left it. You see me? And we can't go on like we don't want to go with it. Because if a man come with an AI rhythm will sound good to me, I can create a good lyrics for it. And it go worldwide and create something for me. What am I going to tell us? I mean, I like AI.
Right.
Because for instance, AI not gonna stop a live artist from it.
True that.
Can't stop you. But again, you can't tell the people what them for like and what them not for like. You just do your something because the space is there for you. I'm not here to knock anybody. If you want to go, do your something that way there and create. From once you create something honest, that's good for me.
See,
Progressive. So what do you think the future of the genre is? What will dancehall be in the future?
I'm not God, so I can't tell you that. So, but right now, it look good. It look good because you know what? The youth them, I work with technology. You know, when I was a youngster, it was only typewriter. Now the youth them have computer and the youth them so bright with it. They are so fast to learn stuff and have your brain thinking, oh, him do this or oh, this lady do this. So I am here as a young man in a big body. I'm here trying to learn what the youth them learn because I want to stay here with them.
See that is the key right there. That is the key. Because I remember even as a youth coming up, the stars that I were different from the stars of my parents. You know, when I'm just starting to go out at club and party on my own and things. So you have to accept that and as you get older, you can't turn around and be the old head.
We can't run from the truth, brother. Man. We can't run from the truth. We can't run from the truth. And it people knock AI and what the youth them are do now, and the more you knock it, and the better them are gonna get. Because the guys, the youth them now, they want to prove a point. Say, yo, this is our time.
But Delly.
So we can't knock it.
Delly, look at it now. Back in what, 85, when Slingting first dropped, I'm sure there was bands man that say, wait, where I go with that?
Computer something, yeah. The computer something.
Right.
Yeah.
Computer rhythm. What? Nah, so what? So it eventually, right, take a hold with the modern days and
get this enough. Get this enough, bro. Live music never stop really, you know.
Exactly, still there.
Because even the AI music, them the AI beats them and whatever, however them want to name it. When it's time for live music, the bandsman them are gonna step out and do them something. What really are not me still, what I feel like, me no want to curse nobody can, but the people them who are sing over them record. Like have the record I play and I sing over it. Me not like that. That's not live music. Right. That is Milli Vanilli style. I don't like that.
Right. In fact, Milli Vanilli did it proper. If you do it proper, they're not even doing it proper.
Right.
Delly, June 5th. We got to get to June 5th. Something big going down on June 5th. Let the world know. All
right, June 5th. No, before we reach June 5th, I reverse a little bit.
Okay.
I have a new album out called Better Than Before. everybody who are listen, I would like for you guys to go purchase a copy of that album, because when you buy that album there, you're not gonna regret it. I sang upon it for you and you and you and you. So go get my album Better Than Before. It's 14 tracks on it. It's produced by myself and Vigga. I'm going to have to big up Vigga. Vigga is a man find me in December when I need music, and he brought music to me and I delivered. Now, Better Than Before, I see it create waves and a lot of charts all over the world. I give thanks for that, because I don't have no money to pay nobody to put my song them on the chart.
See it?
So I give thanks for that. Alright, June 5th now, I'm taking myself out of the dancehall and reggae box. I have an EP gonna release called Party Cup. Drum and bass jungle music. Only drum and bass jungle music. So I bring my dancehall and reggae flavor on that beat. So it's a drum and bass EP produced by my brother in Germany called DJ Kruka.
All right. Drum and bass. Yes, indeed.
Yeah, jungle music.
I love
Jungle
it.
music. You know them say the Pop Molly crew them there, the people them are never stop, energetic people. I feel them type of music that.
Yeah, man. The ravers know about it.
The ravers music, yeah.
Yeah.
And a matter of fact, since I started the promotion, I've been getting a lot of requests from the people in UK. Say, yo, Delly, I can't wait till this come out, because I know this is going to do good over our side.
Good stuff. Wicked.
So I don't keep myself in a one box. I just I do the thing. I do the thing.
The UK where jungle and drum and bass is really, really popular. I'm sure they're gonna gravitate to that definitely.
So, hey, never sang pan it. Never sang pan it your name Roman Chaser.
Yeah.
So I make sure I bring our culture and I feed them culture. I know that I got along bad. And I do bad man lyrics for it too, because we have to make them know if you carry me across, they're going to make party lyrics, they're going to make girls song, they're going to make bad man lyrics, they're going to make lyrics for everybody feel good.
Right, and if you are, how we call it, if you don't angle the badness yourself, you have Batman friends. Everybody, listen to this one real fast. The voice of the man, Delly Ranx, this one named Batman Friend.
Hey, liquid, yo. 20 gauge mistake with Delly ranking, and the banking, the world general. Gangsta run the place, so we never will bend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Real talk, real life, real friend, me defend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Hear me name to police, friendship suspend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. How the enemy know the thing them extend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Man up, top dog, hot dog, over yard, up man, Box them a junkyard. One bring the enemy in a me backyard. Could a lizard or roach or ants and fly. Informer fi when nobody try ask me why. Man a gangster, so we no friend them the guy. Can't be my friend if you a spy. Gangster run the place, so we never will bend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Real talk, real life, real friend me defend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Hear me name to police, friendship suspend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. How the enemy know the thing them extend. Informer, can't be a bad man friend. Delly ranking for the banking. For the high grade herb jam me tanking. Weed me want in on me system. Night and noon and morning. Me no want a bush weed or the best weed me smoke. Ganja me a blaze when you see the Jenna choke. Sometimes me give the gummy to the queen and the honeys. That them said them love, roll it up, light it up. High grade, it's like a chuck. High grade, can't get enough. High grade, cause a thief and we burn it so much. Herbalist blaze it up. High grade, it's like a chuck. High grade, can't get enough. High grade, cause a thief and we burn it so much. Dirty rock, and the girl them rock. Delly Ranx, and the girl them turbulence. Ballers keep the champagne popping and the girls them flocking. That's how I'm living it up. Me and the girl them rocking and the vibes not dropping. Nothing not giving it up. So everybody turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, turn it up, turn it up. Roll up in the club, they pop champagne buckle. Syrup and pineapple, the girl them a tackle. Use a drink, Hennessy with cranberry apple. A back up and buckle, so the liquor them a rockle. Hey, every girl want to ride in at the whip. And them want the world general for this a little bit. Me sit down in at the Benz and the seat belt click. Bad mind have to swallow them spit. So what we do? Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Delly Ranx, y'all. Delly Ranx, right there with Turn It Up. He's live and direct here on the show this evening. The World General is in the building. Mr. P, do we have that that Facebook clip queued up? Let's go ahead and run that for us real quick.
Delly Ranx, World General, Croker, Jamaica, Germany. To the world, drum and bass badness. Bang de bang. And the silent giant Delly Ranx, you know. A bad man thing. Hear me now? Sure.
Yes, indeed. June 5th. There's an album on the road right now. Right now. So I need everybody, as the show done this evening, you're going into the front, right? And Delly Ranx music, yeah? And every platform, make sure you go and support the music. Share it to your friends and let them know, say, Delly Ranx has new music on the road. Support the music, support the culture, everybody. Delly, tell the people how they can contact you, follow you, anything they need from Delly Ranx. How do they reach out to Delly?
Them just follow me back, man, and see where me I go. Anyway, on Instagram, Delly Ranx Music, DELLYRANX MUSIC. On TikTok, Delly Ranx 1. On Facebook, Delly Ranx or Delroy Foster. You know, X Delly Ranx. You know. Anyway, any social media engine you put me in, you're gonna find me. If you need to book me, you can book me on Pure Music Productions21@gmail.com. You know, if you need dubs or them thing there, you can link up that email address there also. You see the number just came up on the screen. Or you can hit me in my DM. I'm not an AI, and I'm me control. me control my Delly Ranx. My Delly Ranx Instagram page. I'm Delly Ranx TikTok. The group control the Pure Music Production page. But if you reach over there, I still can see over there too. And everything all right.
All right, there you have it, Delly Ranx. Let me tell you something. Delly also has, it's a legacy thing. Yeah, he has a son who is one of the top selectors, DJs right here in Atlanta right now. Popsy Ranx, gotta say, big up to Popsy. Now, as bad as he may be selecting, me know Popsy from Barfield. Right, we kick ball. The man bad for the ball field.
A big baller.
So big up Popsy every time. Yeah, I soon reach back out there. I've been nursing a little injury, you know, but we'll soon get back out there on the field. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been speaking to the World General, the man himself, Delly Ranx, live and direct in the building. Make sure you go and support the music. There's new music on the road, and June 5th, brand new album dropping as well. Brand new EP, all right? Party Cup.
Hey, you know the nicest thing I go on a while ago?
Yeah.
And that's why I know it's a gotta work. You played 2 Dirty Rock productions, 2 Sean Paul productions back to back.
Yeah.
And before the interview, I'm in the studio right now recording on a new Sean Paul's production. So I know something about you.
All right, see it there. That's what happens around here. That's what happens around. This is the Island Heat Radio Show podcast.
Because to me, brother, to me, some people I go feel a way about it, but to me, a Sean Paul my dancehall king, you know.
Well, you know, we have a story about that a little later.
And the reason why I said that, Sean Paul carry dancehall on him back all over the world. It never dilute, and him do it for the culture. So I big up Sean. And big up my rest of my brother them, my co-worker them, cause Vibes Cartel are one king in our own right. Being a man, king in our own right. I can say me one production king too, you know.
Yes, you can.
So we can claim it, you know. And I'm telling you guys now, and I want it to reach out in the atmosphere. I'm not just the Delly Ranx to me humble. I'm also a legend. I'm a column in this dancehall.
Yes, indeed.
See, 100%. So me I speak it so the people them know, because most of the songs them wanna scam to me have something to do with it. Some of the artists them wanna rate now me have something to do with them. But me not jump up and talk about what me do. Me allow them for it, but some of them don't love to give credit.
Yeah.
But I life.
No, real talk, folks. Behind the scenes, Delly Ranx is a humble man, but he is a giant in the music
Silent
industry.
giant, man.
Chat about real talk. And in fact, this is what we're going to do, Lady Lalabella, because we're right there at the top of the hour. We go into our top 10 countdown. So what I'm going to do, the segment before, we're going to come back to that in a little bit. Delly, stay right there. We're going to jump right into our countdown. Now, this is how we do it. Each and every week, we look across all of the platforms. We scour the internet, put it into our special matrix, which always spits out in the precise order. Any Atlanta-based Caribbean artist or producer, right? Whatever their songs are doing for that week, that's how the chart is generated. This week, in the number 10 position on the Atlanta's Top 10 Countdown here on the Island Heat Radio Show podcast, this is Delly Ranx with Love Scam.
Wow.
It's a love scam. At the world G, Delly Ranx. I shared your song, said this one hit me right. We talked about dreams, stayed up half the night. Oh, one little moment turned to late night calls. Took it offline, no filters at all. You sang to me, said I was your last verse. Say my love was healing deeper than the earth. Good morning text when the day just born. Good night call till the early morning. Every word felt honest, every promise strong. I told you things I held on to too long.
So what are you doing? Are you on your way here? I just want to leave my door open.
And I answered honest, thought you were
Yeah, I'm filming. And I mean,
it's a
I'm in the
love
next
scam.
scene.
Yeah, got so deep. When you play with hearts, you don't plan to keep. You said all the right things, then you don't stand firm. You leave me with lessons I never asked to learn. It's a love scam, wrapped in sweet romance. Gave you my trust and you gave me a chance to see who you are when the truth finally run. Yeah, I fell for a love scam. Picture shared, secret traded. Talking future like we already made it. Wedding talks, forever boo. Only days you done said I love you. Bought the ticket and set the dates. Counted days, me couldn't wait. 2 days out, you cancel everything. Tell me you want space and you never say a thing. I would believe in all your plans. Clap for you and try to
The man
understand.
Delly Ranx right there in the number 10 position this week with Love Scam, brand new entry to the countdown. As we continue to count down our way to the top 10, in the number 9 position, Lady Lalabella, who do we have again?
We have the one and only Delly Ranx with an entry entitled How I'm Living.
I just my life story.
Talk the thing no Delly.
Hey Malvo, me just want to tell some people things kinda different now, you know. Pisceral can tell you. I hears them a go like them no want give more forget. I me see them, you know. But one thing me know, God never left me out. Never. Check this. And the world general, it's like a movie, how me living life now. Them can't believe me make it and me no sell out nor bow. Me help a lot of people and them turn them back, yo. Now I me, myself and I. Ex-girl sorry say she leave me cause she think me need a girl. Never see me vision cause she blind to what's now. Want for rally back that me nah go allow. Now I me, myself and I. No me nah go lock up in a dark room. Now have no time for jerk off in a bathroom. Work for me money so me call me fortune. The hypocrite them can't style me as cartoon. Don't overlook me from here, sit down in a classroom. But me pay attention when them things say man a baboon. And the dance selector in a dance when them a draw tune. Now I'm dancing on blacks on the wall, me a fly till me pass moon. It's like a movie, how me living life now. Them can't believe me make it and me no sell out nor bow. Me help a lot of people and them turn them back, yo. Now I me, myself and I. Ex-girl sorry say she leave me cause she think me need a girl. Never see me vision cause she blind to what's now. Want for rally back that me nah go allow. Now I me, myself and I. They girl them when never rate me, know me left them in a coma. Baby mother can't say me is a sperm donor. Them used to parent me, make them turn a home owner. Me richer than the banks, I me no office in a loaner. The box in my face, come in and feed myself and soda. Never try no witchcraft, me nah go do no odia. God alone me praise Almighty, bless me on the road, yeah. And all the who no rate me, them can't wake up me a soldier. It's like a movie, how me living life now. Them can't believe me, make it and me no sell out now, wow. Me help a lot of people and them turn them back, yo. Now I me, myself and I.
Delly Ranx right there in the number 9 spot. The number 9 spot this week, Delly Ranx with How I'm Living. Big music, Delly. Big music. Thank you for spending time with us each and every time. Don't know.
Respect.
Now, as soon as the new project drops, I need to make sure I get this so we keep you in the rotation here on the program, as we often do. Your music plays up here a lot, Delly. All right, we really represent for our ATL base because we really feel so that the talent is here and it should be shining bright and use them needs to play the music from our ATL artists for real.
I the thing about it, brother, is it true? Me a man make world music. Me no worry, because it's when them now play me in Atlanta. The people them in Australia play me and send for me just go over there go do what me have to do.
Yeah, man.
See, when me ready, me go to Dubai, when me ready, me go to Europe, me go to England. But just deal with the world, because I'm the world general.
Yes, I am.
I'll do it, let them see.
That's what we talk about. We're not chat about it, right?
Me not beg nobody, and me not force nobody to do it. My brother Louis Culture tell me this about 25 years ago. Louis Culture said this to me. He said, Delly, just do music. From it to come out, it'll go where it's supposed to go. So I just make music and I make pure music.
And I'm sure, Delly, that you have seen there's certain places where one of your songs might be the biggest song. And you go to the next place and they don't know that particular one. But one of the other is the biggest song for them.
Yeah, because for instance, when I went to Vermont to perform last year, and I went to Rhode Island, and I went up to Maine and all of these places to perform. Some of my current artists, brother them, my co-worker them were there. When I tell them, say, yo, I hope you saw me come. Yo, I wish for that. Yeah. And I tell you about big artists when them say a big artist. So I have my market and I feed my market. Music is really a job, and the mother says it's a competition, but to me, I don't compete, I just make music. I put my music out so the people them can feel me through my music, because I make pure music.
That's what it is.
It's a love frequency. Thank you so much, Delly, for coming on the show.
Rastafari, I love you. Respect, brother. Zin?
Bless up. Everybody, the man himself, the silent giant, the world general, Delly Ranx, live and direct.